Hey guys, so we're out here in the open air doing the unboxing of the Milwaukee 6-gallon cordless Nexus vac link kit. This does not include the batteries. The stock number is 0914-20. That is tool only. Right over here are the items that it comes with. Right down here, you got to put it on pause, is some of the specs. It'll tell you what your CFM is. Right here is a comparison with Milwaukee, with other wet dry vacs. Right here is your battery. Over here we have some more specs. But yeah, this is looking really sweet. So here is the actual unit itself out of the box. So again, it comes with its own cart. You get your hose. You get, of course, the 6-gallon bucket and the power head with vac link. You get your hose wraparound, which you pull that out. You get your 2 or 3 accessories that come with it. You also get the rolling cart. Yeah, this is sweet. Couldn't unbox this without doing a unboxing video of the Milwaukee Nexus brushless wet dry vac pack out. Oh, how did I almost forget that? Pack out edition. Great. Looks like it's going to be nice. Nice addition for detailers, professional or just the average person like myself. Like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments down below if you already have this. And this is the 1 battery version.